Aloha, I'm Maile Andrus-Price, and welcome to Finding God in Gourmet. What is Finding God in Gourmet anyway? It is a way for you to connect to God through food by becoming a conscious cook. Well, what does that mean? That means that when you cook, you become present. You bring all of who you are without the to-do list, all of who you are into the moment, and you reconnect with your childhood wonderment, getting excited about the smell of basil, the feeling of cheese, the taste of a sweet apple. Yes, you can do that. We are all so busy. I know, even though I'm a foodie and I love to cook, there were so many times after a hard day's work as a nurse, coming home and having to cook dinner felt more like a drudgery than a delight. So finding God in Gourmet are ways, are methods, are recipes for you to follow to get messages from God, to connect, because I promise God is talking to you in a myriad of ways. And if you open your pepeao, your ears, you open your heart and you listen, you will get messages and guidance from God. They say that art is reflected in life. Well, guess what? Cooking is an art, and I have learned so many messages and lessons that are reflected. It's like I'm cooking something that's like, oh, that's just like how it is in life. And all of the messages and all of the lessons that I've learned so far are on my website and on my YouTube station. And always there is a spiritual message at the end of each and every recipe. Sometimes it's included right in the video, but always it is at the very end. After all the recipe instructions, it says spiritual message. I invite you to take the time to do this for you and your family. This world is hungry for love and light, and finding God in Gourmet provides it. Aloha.